DJI has unveiled the DJI Mini 4 Pro, an upgraded version of their entry-level drone with professional capabilities. The new model features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, enhancing tracking capabilities and making it ideal for beginners. With a weight of 249 grams, the DJI Mini 4 Pro avoids regulatory requirements for drone licenses or certifications. Previous versions lacked obstacle detection, but the Mini 4 Pro overcomes this limitation with advanced sensors. The Mini 4 Pro shares the same sensor as its predecessor, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but introduces 4K 100p high-speed recording. DJI recognized the need for obstacle avoidance in their entry-level series and gradually incorporated necessary sensors. The Mini 3 introduced downward vision sensing, while the Mini 3 Pro added obstacle sensing in all directions except laterally. Now, with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, all limitations have been overcome with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The drone can detect obstacles from all angles, allowing for lateral flight without any blind spots. The DJI Mini 4 Pro's advancements greatly enhance its tracking capabilities and overall performance. Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the drone that overcomes limitations with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Fly laterally without any blind spots thanks to the drone's ability to detect obstacles from all angles. Capture complex shots with ease using the Active Track 360 degrees feature, designed for less experienced pilots. No need to worry about crashing the drone. The Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional sensing mitigates risks during tracking. Focus Track offers spotlight, point of interest, and Active Track 360 degrees options, enhancing tracking accuracy. Execute camera movements like circling, pulling in, and pulling away with the new Tracewheel interface. Plan flight routes with ease while bypassing obstacles, ensuring smoother and more stable tracking. Stay confident in using the drone's tracking features, thanks to the improved tracking accuracy and route planning. Experience the DJI Mini 4 Pro's advanced capabilities and stability in our upcoming formal review. The DJI Mini 4 Pro shares the same image sensor as its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro. Both models feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and an f/1.7 aperture. They offer 48MP stills resolution and 4K/60 fps HDR video recording. The Mini 4 Pro can capture 4K/100 fps footage, ideal for slow-motion shooting. The Mini 3 Pro was limited to 120 frames per second in 1080p resolution. The Mini 4 Pro utilizes a new image processing platform. DJI claims it incorporates dual native ISO fusion for cleaner images. Improved noise reduction algorithms in night shots video mode reduce noise. The Mini 4 Pro supports 10-bit recording for greater flexibility in post-production. Enhanced aerodynamics improve the overall performance of the Mini 4 Pro.